Only Plumbing, your trusted plumbing company in Newnan, GA. We provide top-notch plumbing services, including repairs, installations, and maintenance. Our team of skilled plumbers is dedicated to delivering exceptional results and ensuring your satisfaction. From leaky faucets to complex pipe replacements, we handle it all with efficiency and expertise. Contact our plumbing company today for consultation. Are you looking for a plumbing company near me? You can stop looking. You found Only Plumbing. What is included in the plumbing system? A plumbing system is made up of 3 components: a reliable source of potable water, a secure drainage system, and enough of fixtures and equipment. What are the 3 types of plumbing? The 3 primary plumbing system types found in both residential and commercial structures are stormwater, sanitary, and potable systems. What is your plumbing company area for the Newnan, Georgia office? Our local plumbing company has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Newnan, Rica, Greenville, Peachtree City, Corinth, Riverside, Roopville, Senoia, Hogansville, Palmetto, Grantville, Raymond, East Newnan, Arnco Mills, Moreland, Georgia. Where is your Newnan, Georgia plumbing company services located? We are located at 535 Pine Road No. 109 Newnan, Georgia 30263. Our phone number is 770-683-1550. Visit our website, https://www.onlyplumbing.co.